This video provides overview of overall aggregate values shown after all the tables for PDFs generated through PDF Generator. Let's say we want to show these aggregate values with this style after all the tables. It needs to show total amount, discount percentage, and amount, VAT percentage, and amount, and grant total with discount applied on total amount and VAT added to it. Let's say PDF template is designed for the opportunity. These are the fields defined on this opportunity. Amount is a standard field. Discount is a custom percent type field. Discount amount is a custom formula field to calculate discount on amount. VAT percent and amount are same as discount fields. Grant total is a custom formula field, which deducts discount, and adds VAT, on total amount. We need to use Aggregate tab on PDF template, to show these field values. Let's add first aggregate value. We need to select the field to pull the value from opportunity, and need to use Field Picker, to select the needed field. Please note, fields from opportunity can only be selected, and not from any related objects like account, which has a lookup relationship with opportunity. If you want to show any field from account, create a custom formula field on opportunity, and use that formula field API name here. Label will be auto-populated from the field name selected in previous field, which can be modified. Label is shown in the left side of the aggregate values. Width can be controlled for aggregate value shown in the right side. Text can be aligned using this option. By default, it's right aligned. By default background color is set to white, but we need gray background for this example, which can be chosen using this color picker. Let's keep the default text color as black. Let's keep default font size. We recommend to preview the PDF for one field, before creating other fields. Search and select the opportunity record. This is how aggregates are shown after all the tables, and before terms and conditions section. Label defined in the aggregate field configuration is shown in the left, and field value is shown on the right. If you need to increase right side space to accommodate bigger value, you can increase this width. Using clone option, we can create next aggregate record. In the next field, we want to have discount populated from opportunity, so let's select the discount field. In this case, we want to populate discount percentage from opportunity, as part of label as well, and to meet that requirement we can use merge fields in the label, and it needs to be typed manually. Specify the field API name between curly braces, starting with exclamation symbol. We also need bracket around the value with %sign. Width is copied from previous record due to cloning. Style configurations are copied from the previous record as well. Let's refresh the preview. Please notice that due to merge field on label, it's pulling discount percent from the record, and amount is shown on the right side. Using the same concepts, other records can be created. This is how aggregates will be shown. These values will be shown, even if tables are not rendered, because there are no dependencies on table. Please note that aggregates shown as part of the table are calculated runtime, and are tied to the table, while these fields are predefined. Similar to PDF table columns, if value in the selected field is blank, or 0, it won't be shown by default. For example, in this case, discount is 0, and VAT is blank. So by default these fields are not shown. If you want to show field having value as 0, under PDF Generator Custom Settings, uncheck this checkbox. And now field having value as 0 is shown in the PDF.
We offer free 15 days full feature trial. Visit our website for detailed documentation, pricing, or contact our support for any queries.